Scott for Tidy Bricks, landscaping again, back on the GGs. Got to clean the front gate. Front gate's a bit messy. I think this deserves its own video. This shall be delightful to clean. Sometimes I actually really like my job. Right, we're going to do these one at a time. As you can see, they're pretty bad. So that's the front. Put some plastic over the gate so we don't get any chemical on it. And then this is the back. The back's pretty bad. It's easier to see how bad it is on the front. I don't know which one to do first. So we're going to toss a coin. Heads left, tails right. And it's heads, so heads left. So, let's do this one. Let's have a closer look. So we'll do this one first. We'll clean up the pressure washer and the hypo, then we'll judge which one came out best. Didn't piss and record. Why? Turn around, have a look at the camera. Black screen. Oh. That was quite pleasurable. Clearly see that one definitely looks cleaner than that one, so let's get the hypo on it. I've so got to remember to press friggin' record. So I got my mask, just cleaned it off. I just put a bit of fairy liquid in it and rubbed it round on the inside, otherwise it messes up something terrible. You can't see what you're bloody doing. And as regards my last pump, that electric one from Screwfix, battery one, shit it was. So 15 quid Screwfix. All right, let's pump this up before I put the mask on. That makes sense. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh, I think I'll do. Right. Let's cover these lights back up. Plastic blew off. Right, time to mask up. Hopefully, I'll be able to see what I'm bloody doing. Looks like you're going snorkeling. Well, smells a fairy. And I can't see shit. Oh God, here we go. Right, I need a proper stuff for this now. It'll have to do.
With
Right, let's wash her off. Well, I can see the difference already, loads difference. Much more orange than that one. Beauty. I think this will be a good thumbnail. I'm quite pleased how that turned out. Looking good, right. Not so looking good.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather click ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cool. I swear anything's better than you. Get you on the flip side, get you on the flip side. So goodbye. Funny how it works sometimes. Yeah, we kinda hit it off at first. Taking every bar in town, all the sleepless nights until things got worse. You're so manipulative, trying to convince me of a shit, but it didn't work on me. So, baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. I haven't got any tape or anything. But it's all siliconed, it's all waterproofed. It'll have to do.
I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your hair, your dead eyes stare. I swear anything's better than you. Get you on the flip side, get you on the flip side. So goodbye. Maybe for once just give it a try. Listen to me when I say goodbye.
As predicted, can't see shit.
Just give it a try. Listen to me when I say goodbye to you. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you've asked me to do. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cool. I swear anything's better than you.
You can always tell when you're getting hypo on you because it's warm. I gotta wash the shit off. Oh, that's got loads of stuff on there, and you can see already it's starting to eat it. Looking good. Right, time to hose it off. And this is how these lovely gates panned out. Spotless. Right, let's have a look from the other side. Yeah, they turned out really nice in the end. There's a couple of little white marks on it, but that's from some cement, that is. So that's a little bit annoying. Couldn't get that off. But in general, I think it panned out lush. Yeah, a couple little patches, but that's from some cement. There's a bit of mastic gone in there. But yeah, it's the grime's off. It's just unfortunate somebody's jointed it without the right stuff. So being a brickie, I would have actually enjoyed building that. That would have been fun. But it was just as much fun cleaning it. Like and subscribe. Yeah.